YouTube, welcome back to, of course, yet another episode of SA3 TV, and today's episode is my first ever point of view POV drive. As you can see, my phone right here, I'm trying to get used to the whole kind of trying to focus on the phone and the, you know, what's in front of me mainly, because it's quite strange having a camera on my forehead. I'm not gonna lie, it does look quite weird. So let's just give it a go. It is my first time, so this lady can move. Please don't mind the error code on the car. It's it's basically just indicating that my previous key, which I had on the vehicle, the battery was quite low. I've replaced it, but the fault code is not going. So I'm gonna try get the fault code removed tomorrow. So yeah, with my machine, which I'll hopefully should find tonight. Yeah. Down last time before I put it in comfort, so full to the floor. Fucking hell, man. Oh my god, Jesus, this thing is ridiculous. My foot's not even on the pedal. Right, now in comfort. Now in comfort, valves closed. As you can see, it makes such a big difference when it's in comfort, or not even that, even when it's valves closed, it makes such a big difference. I mean, I don't have the valves closed obviously when I'm in dynamic, for obvious reasons, because I'd rather not let the flames completely destroy my valve system. But in comfort, oh, there's an ambulance there, get out of it quickly, don't get in the way. As in comfort, valves are always closed, and it makes the driving experience even better as it is when you're stock. I'll be honest with you, it really does make a big difference. Yeah, okay, with the new system, there's a little bit of vibration, of course, but in terms of just driver comfort, in comfort anyway, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. So please guys, just let me know what you guys think of the POV. Like I said, I wasn't ragging it as much today. I just want to test it out, test the water a little bit. What do you guys think? Is it something you guys want to see? So I've been told multiple times that I need to do a day drive point of view and also a night drive point of view. So just like I said, just testing the water, see what you guys think. So yeah, but yeah, please don't worry about the fault code there. It's bugging me, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a simple fix, just a fault removal, and that's pretty much it. But guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button. This is probably, like I said, it's just a short little video I thought I'd make, just kind of, like I said, testing out the GoPro Hero 7 to see what it's like from the point of view. I use this GoPro for like every single vlog I do. For the past 6 months I've been using it, and it's been absolutely amazing. So I thought I'd take it to the next level in terms of introducing a little bit more things with the camera, doing different angles, different type of vlogs, also point of view, you know, to see what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. We are chasing 700 subscribers, so let's try and make that soon. Thank you very much guys, and stay tuned and take care of yourself.